Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Champxpress car wash membership. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to type this word like how to cancel Champxpress car wash membership on your any browser. And once you get the result, you need to scroll down and you will see there is a button like Champxpress car wash cancel membership. Once you select this option, it will pop up a new window, this kind of window. On this window you need to provide each and every information related to your subscription, and once you fill out all the details you can send your request at their team, and once they receive your details related to cancellation, and there is topic also cancel membership, and once they receive your email they will contact you soon and they will provide you a proof of cancellation if you are facing any issue. And on the same page at very bottom side there is a contact us page, also there is a contact information, also you can also contact with their customer support team by using their phone number, and they will also you can say like help in cancellation, or you can directly visit at their location and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription or membership. They will cancel your membership very easily. So by using these four ways you can easily cancel your membership. If you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video.